How to recover Rocket League account password. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover Rocket League account password. If you have forgotten your Rocket League account password, then here's how you can recover it. Since Rocket League account is associated with Epic Games account, you will need to recover the password of your Epic Games account. For that, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once on the browser, in the search bar, type in rocketleague.com. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Rocket League. Once you reach to this page, here at the top right, you'll be able to see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on this sign in button and then you will be redirected to Epic Games. Now here you will be presented with the login interface. Here you will need to enter your email address in the first text box, and after entering your email address, now in this password field just below this box you will be able to see forgot password link. Click on this link and now here you will need to click on this continue button. A security code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for that code, and once you receive it, you will need to enter it in this field. After entering the code, click on this continue button right here. After that, now you will be able to enter a new password. Create a new password for your account by following all the criteria presented below. After entering the password, you may also click on the I button at the right side of it to reveal it and check if you have entered it correctly. After that, click on this create password button at the very bottom and then you will be able to reset your password. Now click on this sign in button and now enter your email address in the first text box and then enter your new password. After entering it, click on this sign in button right here and again a security code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for the code and once you receive it, enter it in this field. After entering the code, click on the continue button and then you will be able to log into your account now. So this is how you can recover the password of your Rocket League account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.